Hello, everyone. Today, I want to touch on something that I think a lot of people forget. And there's an entire section about this in my eShop Success program, and it's called Getting Traffic from Places Other than Etsy Search. And yeah, you can send your own social media traffic. You can post on your personal Facebook page and get your friends and family to come buy from you. Don't be offended if they don't, because maybe they don't have the money or they don't want your stuff. That's okay. But there's also places on Etsy where you can get a lot of traffic without having to worry about Etsy search. And I just started putting the keyword list that I've been making in my digital shop on Etsy because of the VAT taxes. And I forgot about the VAT tax, but I just moved everything over there and I said, this is where they're going to be. And I immediately started getting sales in that shop. I didn't even put any tags in there. I haven't done anything to the SEO on those listings. And it's just because I'm getting traffic from outside of Etsy coming to Etsy because that's where they are. It doesn't matter where I list those things, that's where the traffic would be because it has nothing to do with Etsy search. So just be aware that you can drive your own traffic and get sales. You don't really have to be so focused on Etsy titles and tags that that's all you think about. Just remember that there's other places to get traffic. And yeah, you do have to have good SEO. And what I'm going to do with this shop, and I was thinking, this is an interesting thing because I'm getting all these sales, but I haven't done any SEO, like optimizing anything for it. So I'm going to wait a month and see what happens. And then I'm going to optimize the listings and do a video about that because I can definitely increase my traffic with an optimized listing, but it doesn't have to be optimized in order to get sales. That's really my point. So leave any questions, leave any comments, and I will talk to you later.